everyone. Thanks for joining. Welcome to the beautiful Austin, Texas. It's a gorgeous, sunny, 80-degree day. A little bit windy, but we're happy to be here. So I'm guessing if you clicked on this video, it's probably because you as a company are either somewhere on your cloud transformation journey or really just figuring out how to get there. And that's not an uncommon question for IT folks to be asking. It was actually just this past Friday I met with a customer and we sat down and we were actually talking about their storage environment, and cloud came up. And really when we asked them, why this push to cloud, what does cloud mean to you? The answer really was, well, hey, this isn't coming from the top down. Our C-levels are basically saying we need to check this box to go to cloud, and we don't exactly know how to get there or what the best, method forward is. So, whether you're a storage architect, a sysadmin, IT director, or even the CFO at a company, the cloud journey is something that affects all of us, and I want you to know that you're not alone in this journey. This is something that every customer in every industry or vertical is asking the question of what they're going to do in regards to cloud and how they're going to make best use of it. So here at Dell Technologies, we've developed a pretty sound cloud strategy, and we're here to help you on every step of the way. So one of the reasons cloud has become such a major player in our world today is really because of the way that companies are constantly innovating. We know about the Uber and Netflix story, and we know that apps keep coming to market and disrupting every other company in their vertical. So that's what we're talking about here is innovation. You have your application team who's constantly requesting VMs and wanting to make new applications and improve feature and functionality of their existing ones. You have different lines of businesses such as marketing, HR. Say they might, request more space in their email inbox, or maybe they need a new laptop that just crashed. They're all coming to the infrastructure team and basically asking them to keep up with these demands. So whether that be through different automation tools like self-service portal, chargeback, there's been a lot of different cloud needs that have come out of this. And now we see a lot of shadow IT happening because sometimes the infrastructure folks can't keep up with these demands, forcing the app team to, go other places to get their VMs. And really, we want to make sure to eliminate that as much as possible, especially for security purposes. So once you and your organization have decided you want to start your cloud journey, it really is a conversation of which applications or workloads are going to make sense to live in the cloud, and then ultimately, how are we going to get them there? So as you can see in this picture, on the far left, we have the maintain option. So this really is business as usual, keep the application in the environment it's living in. Next, replatform. So this is really rationalizing applications, potentially recoding to make them actually be able to live in a public cloud setting. And next, multi-tier. Keep some of your application on-prem and move some of it off to a public cloud. So in the past few years, while this side of the board has been more of the traditional way of doing things, we're now seeing a shift towards the right side of the board. So as you can see here, refactoring. This is really remaking or rethinking your applications as well as the environment they're going to live in order to be cloud friendly. Next, simply develop for the cloud. This is where things like Pivotal can come into play, or different native app developing platforms. And then there's also software as a service option. So this basically is the idea of hosting your application elsewhere in a hosted environment with a software provider. So I don't know about you, but looking at this picture, it seems a bit overwhelming. There definitely can be lots of different places your applications can live, as well as ways to get them there. So what if I could tell you that we could eliminate this whole picture and talk about one simplified software bundle where your applications can live both on-prem as well as in the cloud and seamlessly migrate between the two. And that's what we're going to talk about next. Through industry research over the past few years, we've come to a couple realizations that the main drivers why customers are going to cloud are for reasons of cost, complexity, as well as resources, which I'm going to touch back on in a little bit. But first, what I'm really here and excited to talk about today is what's called VCF, VMware Cloud Foundation. So what's really unique about VCF is that it's going to come with 4 different licensing softwares all bundled into one. So for one, you have NSX, your virtual networking. This is going to help prevent against ransomware as well as micro-segmentation. Next, we have vSAN. A lot of us know and love vSAN as, virtual storage, and that's exactly what it is. It's going to help eliminate silos in the environment and manage your entire infrastructure through a single pool and single pane of glass. And then next, the true secret sauce, if you will, behind this is vSphere as well as vRealize. So vRealize is actually going to tell you on a per VM basis which workloads are which public cloud provider or on-prem. This is really the brains behind the operation as far as analytics and insights onto your applications, and us being a trusted advisor to help get you to the right cloud for your workload environment. Our industry-leading hyper-converged solution, known as VxRail, has already inherently had many of these capabilities to begin with. We've just now made it very easily for you to acquire these softwares in a bundle package and get all of the same things that you've loved out of cloud on an on-premise solution, while also, with the automation and orchestration portion, able to flex workloads up to the clouds on demand and back down seamlessly. So back to the point I was making about cost, complexity, and resources. Well, how exactly can we give you the same experience you love from cloud while doing it in the comfort of your own data center? And that's what these key points I wrote up here. So for cost, we have great financial services such as DFS, Dell Financial Services, which can help you utilize a financing model best for your business, whether you like to buy OpEx or CapEx, different payment deferrals. We have a very, very great team that can work with your business needs. Flex on demand, also a great way to make sure you're constantly getting that available capacity and VMs that you need. Next, complexity. vSphere and vRealize are going to take so much complexity out of this. For one, simplified management. Everything is right through the same GUI, the same portal, and you can manage multiple sites across the globe, all from the comfort of your home on vacation while drinking, a mojito. It's very simple. Also, with the vRealize capabilities, we're taking all of the complexity out of it for you. No longer are the days of you having to figure out on your own, how am I going to get this application spun up in AWS, or what will work best where. This takes all of that thinking out for you and provides a lot of insight that's very beneficial to customers. And then next, for resources, well, your people already know VMware. It's the most popular hypervisor used by our customers, and it's a very simple management tool that is going to make everything a lot operationally easier for your business. Also, from a cost perspective, we now offer our customers a future-proof loyalty program, which comes with clear pricing. Basically what that means is for the next 5 to 7 years, you can see exactly what you're going to be paying on maintenance for any gear that you acquire from us. So what this means is no longer are the days where your organization is lifting and shifting all of your applications to AWS and then getting hit with unexpected $1 million monthly bills. We can map this out for you so you can see exactly how you need to plan your finances as well as your bookings to your upper management for the next 5 to 7 years very seamlessly, and we help get you there to show you the best possible option. Here at Dell Technologies, we really pride ourselves on being a strategic partner with you throughout your entire cloud journey process. That's why we've developed many workshops as well as consulting services to help get you to where you want to be. For example, some of the workshops we offer are things like cloud readiness workshops, maturity index. Basically what we'll do is we'll do a day-long workshop with you where we can take a deep dive into your environment and assess where you're currently at and how ready you are to move to the cloud and what we can get there in the near term. Our consulting team is amazing. They've helped customers get to the cloud time and time again, and we're more than happy to help you do it as well. So please reach out to us and let us know if you have any questions. We're here to help. Thanks so much.